Can this QuickBooks video simplify your financial management? Join us in this detailed tutorial from our expert trainer who walks you through each step. Let's get started.
Customizing your invoices and sales forms in QBO is essential for creating a professional and personalized customer experience. By tailoring your forms to reflect your business's unique identity, you ensure that every interaction with your customers looks polished and consistent. Whether you want to add your logo, adjust the color scheme, or include custom fields, QuickBooks makes it easy to modify your invoices, estimates, and sales receipts to suit your needs. Customizing your invoices and sales forms offers several advantages. Firstly, there is the benefit of professional appearance. A well designed, branded invoice reinforces your company's professionalism and also helps you make a great impression on customers. Imagine you're running a catering business and send out an invoice that features your logo and brand colors. This polished, professional appearance enhances your credibility with clients, leaving a positive impression after each event. Adding your logo, color scheme, and business details creates a consistent look across all customer communication, thereby helping you out on your brand consistency. Including custom fields relevant to your business ensures all necessary details are communicated clearly to customers. For example, adding a custom field like event date for your catering services ensures your clients have clear information about when services were provided. Setting up default options like payment terms and messages reduces time spent editing each invoice manually. By setting default payment terms like net 30, you reduce the need to manually enter terms for each invoice, which saves you a bunch of time. There are a few steps for accessing custom form styles in QBO, which are: firstly, you log into QuickBooks Online. Go to the gear icon. Under the Your Company section, click on Custom Form Styles. This will take you to a page where you can create, edit, and manage your invoice, estimate, and sales receipt templates. If you want to start from scratch or create a new invoice template, you click on the New Style in the Custom Form Styles page. Choose a template from the several layout options QuickBooks provides. Select a template that best suits your business's needs. In the Design tab, customize the look and feel of your form by uploading your company logo, choosing a color that matches your brand identity, and selecting a font style that aligns with your brand. You can also rename the form if needed. For example, call it invoice or bill of sale depending on your industry. As you make changes, QuickBooks provides a real-time preview on the right side of the screen, allowing you to see how the form will look before saving. Next, customize the content and fields on your invoices and sales forms to include relevant information for your business. You can click on the Content tab in the Custom Form Styles editor to customize the form sections. You can customize the header, body, and footer as well. For example, in the footer of your catering services, you might include a message like, "Thank you for choosing us for your event. We look forward to serving you again." This leaves a positive impression with clients. If specific information is needed, add custom fields in the Custom Fields section. For example, you can add fields for customer PO number or job description. Customizing the messages and payment options helps improve communication with your customers. You can click the Emails tab in the Custom Form Styles editor to set the default email message for invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. You can also personalize the email message by editing the subject line and body of the email. Once you have customized your form, set it as the default for future transactions. On the Custom Form Styles page, find your newly created form and click the drop-down arrow next to it. Select Make Default to use it for future invoices, estimates, or sales receipts. Before sending a customized invoice or sales form, always preview to see how it will look to your customer. On the Custom Form Styles page, you can preview next to any form to see how it will appear to customers. Customizing your invoices and sales forms in QBO allows you to create a professional, branded experience for your customers. By personalizing your forms with your logo, colors, and tailored content, you can improve customer satisfaction while streamlining your billing process. Imagine the impact of sending a well designed invoice that reflects your brand's identity. Clients are more likely to see you as a professional, trustworthy business, which can lead to repeat business and stronger relationships.
Don't let your momentum stop here. Check out our recommended playlist for more helpful videos to boost your skills. Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content.